Hi, I'm Chris Schufo with Embedded.com, and I'm here at the Microchip booth at the Embedded Systems Conference Boston 2011, which we're calling Design Days these days. We're hearing about the new PIC-10F with a new feature in it that's particularly interesting. In fact, won you an Embedded this morning.
Yeah, indeed. It's a new configurable logic cell, which is similar to the type of cells you'll get into in a PLD or a gate array, but it's just integrated into a microcontroller.
So tell me what's unique and different about this, other than it's different.
It's really a good logic, programmable logic little block, just in a much smaller scale than what you would find in a gate array. In this case, the good thing about it is very integrated into a microcontroller, so you can hook a lot of the standard microcontroller peripherals into the logic cells, and basically things like timers and A-to-D triggers can be combined with logic and latches and those kind of things to actually create other output signals or interrupt the microcontroller, etc.
Okay, one of the things that we talked about earlier was the ability to do some rerouting based upon this feature. Can you talk a little bit about that?
Yeah, so one example here is, this is a little tool that we have is, for example, we talked about the 10F. So the 10F have essentially one of these logic cells in there. So it selects the 10F, the CLC, and it's as simple as if you have a PWM input and you want to connect it to the external output or use that to create an interrupt, essentially you just click as I clicked here, and if you invert the signal, you can invert the signal. If you want to combine that PWM with, for example, one of the other new peripherals, a numerically controlled oscillator, and you can essentially add those two signals, and it will go out, and you can say, I want a rising interrupt when that event occurs. All of this will happen right here. Again, you can invert some of the signals. Simple click. Point and click essentially. Once you're done, you go File, save it as assembly or C code and include it in your project, and you're off and running.
So it's a nice GUI, an excellent tool, good functionality. How many versions of the PIC-10F have this capability?
There's two versions of the PIC-10F, and the only difference there is memory, essentially. One has double the memory of the other one. There's a few other PIC-12 and PIC-16 products that have this already built in as well. So up to 4 CLCs on some of the 20-pin PIC-16s.
Okay. So the question I have to ask then is, with regard to the 32-bit microcontroller versions, when will we be seeing this?
Coming soon.
Coming soon. Okay, very good. There you have it. From the Embedded Systems Conference and Design Days Boston 2011, Microchip's new PIC-10F.
Thank you.
Thank you.